Okay, so this one's an interesting one. The customer, he said he replaced the controller unit and the wheel turned like one time. So he ended up putting the old controller unit back onto this bike, and all it does is cuts out straight away. So I end up taking the motor out of this to see if there's any problems with the actual motor. Okay, so I've connected the battery to the new controller unit, and it seems to turn it. So it's a little bit. So it's a little bit odd to why when you actually put it together, then it's not turning right. So I'm thinking is the problem from somewhere else and not the actual motor. So the next step is to check your nylon gear to see if it's damaged, and because that's the only other issue I could see maybe a problem. So I end up taking the nylon gear apart, and it looks fine. Didn't look damaged, so I don't understand. I'm just gonna put it back together and use the new controller on it. I think there's possibly a problem with the old controller. So I've put the motor and the nylon gear back together, and I've sealed the wires. I put the plugs in, and I put silicone on so stop water from going in. Okay, so I've whacked the motor on. Let's put it all the way up to the 5th. Let's see. So it doesn't cut out, and before it would have been cutting out by now, and it's still going. So okay, so this bike is done. I've done the motor, I stripped it apart, I checked the nylon gear to see if it was faulty. It wanted to go, and then it didn't want it to go, and then it stopped and make a random noise. But now I sorted it, and I put it back together, put the chain on. So the pedals are back on, the motor's on, the chain's on, and I just need to torque up the bolts for the pedal, and then need to put the battery back, and then I'll do a test on it. Let's power it on and see what happens. So hello, that's a good sign. So let's press the throttle. Okay, let's whack it all the way up to the 5th. Let's see what happens. it said 36.3 mile per hour. Not sure the speed of this bike before. Let's double check, make sure the pedal assist work as well. Okay. So yeah, the pedal assist work as well. Yeah, so this is the end of this video. I'm gonna do a road test on this bike and give it a clean, and that's it.